All right, so you got yourself a fancy shower door glass, baby. Look how nice that looks. I installed this myself, by the way, not to brag, but look at that kind of build up. So we're going to be taking care of that in this video. We're going to start by giving it a good spray. We're using some special spray with lots of coverage here. Look at that. And it just soaks and saturates and pretty much eats that stuff up. You would have the option of using a squeegee too. You can go to the store and buy a little small squeegee. This is for the car. I don't recommend one so large because it's a bit awkward. It can hit and knock the glass. That could be potentially an issue, right? You don't want that. So get a small one designed specifically for cleaning shower doors. I'll put links down below for the ones that I recommend in the description, as I usually do, if you want to check that out. So we're going to scrub it after it soaks for a couple of minutes. And you can even kind of, if you don't have an anti-splash guard on there, or you could possibly remove the anti-splash guard temporarily, get your squeegee down there, and then we'll rinse it off. I have my handy helper here. That is my wife. Say hello to her. She is doing a great job. And don't worry, I help her out. I help out too with the cleaning. She makes me. All right, and then you can actually squeegee that. Look at that. So you gotta get some nice cleaner. And by the way, you're gonna want to, read the instruction manual. Go back and Google the model of your shower door, your glass shower door. They might have some great recommendations from your manufacturer because everyone's a little different, right? So read those first. But, in this case, this should just be a generic way that hopefully can help you out. So we're going to squeegee that up after you put that cleaner on, let it sit, and then scrub it, and then rinse it, and then squeegee it. Okay, here's another look. And you might need to do this a couple of times. It's not so bad. You can finish this in 15 minutes, 20 minutes maybe. If that. There's another look at the squeegee. Now you might have more success with the horizontal or the vertical. I kind of liked the horizontal, to be honest. And you want that squeegee to get up all of the water beads right after you rinse it. And of course, you can take care of cleaning the little splash guard. You can see that stainless steel covered splash guard. And I did another video on how to do a fiberglass shower base, how to clean it if you are interested in that. You can search my channel because there's some pretty gross stuff, that mildewy stuff that accumulates after weeks of use without cleaning. Now, before you call it good, you might want to get some glass cleaner that's scented. We've got this stuff that we use. It's kind of a lavender, kind of a nice smell. And it's glass cleaner, so it's not going to streak. And we just take one of those microfiber cloths, or cloth diapers work really well. Preferably clean, not dirty, haha. And give it a squirt on the inside and the outside. And that should be a streak-free clean. Pretty easy, right? So the idea is if you do this every once in a while, every couple of weeks or so, you're going to have a pretty nice looking shower, I think. Thanks so much. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more cool do-it-yourself solutions like this. Thanks.